Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with another wig review. Now, a company by the name of BESTAPHROHAIR reached out to me and asked me to review one of their wigs. So this is the wig that I picked. So make sure you guys check the description box below because I will leave all the details concerning this wig as far as links. And I also have a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout if you see anything that you might like off of BESTAPHROHAIR's website. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So if you are familiar with my wigs, I normally show you the construction of I usually show you the construction of the cap of the wigs, but this one pretty much just has an adjustable strap because this wig is machine made. Now, before I get into details about this wig, I do want to say, I believe the other day I took it out of the bag and kind of put it on my head to see how it looked because I did remember that it was machine made and it doesn't have a part. As y'all can see, there is no part. So I believe I put it on my head and I was like, you know, I wasn't too sure if I was gonna like it. Because normally when I get my wigs, depending on how they look, I kind of put them on my head first before actually doing a review just to see how it looks, because sometimes I'm like iffy, you know. But now that I actually put it on, of course I have my baby hairs out already because I had the headband wig on, but that kind of helped because, like I said, there is no part on this wig. So just having my baby hairs out right here, you know, it makes the wig look more natural, okay? Because there is no part. So, you know, when there's wigs with no part, it looks like a helmet on your head, okay? And I don't want to look like I have a helmet on my head, okay? So, yeah. So that was like my semi first impression at first, but this is the real deal. So now that I have my baby hair laid a little bit, it actually looks better than how it looked the other day. But enough about that. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the details about this wig. Again, this is from BESTAPHROHAIR. This is their kinky straight wig, okay? Yaki human hair wig, all that stuff, full machine made. I don't remember the price because right now it has a different price, but I will definitely leave you guys all the information down in the description box like I said. But this is 22 inches. Actually, let me see. I think I might be able to do it. 22 inches. I think it was about $83. That's what it looks like, about $83. And again, it is human hair. Now, if you know me, I like the textured hair, the one that mimics black women hair. So this one is really cute, kinky straight. Y'all know I like kinky straight. So yeah, it's cute, it's full. I don't recall the density. Let me see. Because y'all know I'll be leaving information out, not on purpose, but I don't see the density on here, but I could be looking in the wrong spot. But yeah, 22-inch Yaki kinky straight human hair. It's soft. My hands are going through it. As far as adjustable strap, I put it on the second one, I think. So it's still a little loose on my head, but that's fine. But yeah. Very cute. Very, very, very cute. There is a little shedding, not too much, but just a little. But yeah, this is really cute. Like I said, it's definitely cute if you got your little baby hairs out to make the wig look a little bit natural. If not, if you don't care for it, that's fine, but that's my preference. But yeah, I really do like it. So I definitely like it after all. Cute, convenient, and all that stuff. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as it being machine made, the texture, the length, all of that stuff. Let me know how you like it. Would you rock it? Would you not rock it? All of that. So I do want to thank Best Afro Hair for reaching out to me and sending me this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. I apologize since I'm filming in the bathroom. I have a habit of looking in the mirror when y'all know, when I'm kind of feeling myself, or just when I feel like I need to get it together. So I do apologize if I'm looking that way. So as I mentioned to you guys at the beginning of the video, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout if you see anything that you may like on Best Afro Hair's website. So the code is LindsaYe10. That's LINDSAYE10. I will pin it down in the comments, and of course it's in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out, and don't forget to use my code to get 10% off. But that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. And I will see you guys in my next video.